There are two types of hunger. The first type of hunger is the one you feel 3 times a day. You can anticipate it and therefore manage it by cooking or ordering food ahead of time. The second type of hunger is hunger. You experience it when you haven't eaten in a while and you are starving, but you can't fix it because you have no source of food. The first one is, in a sense, good hunger. It lets you plan what food you will eat, whether you will cook something simple or fancy, whether you decide to eat home delivery or maybe step out and eat at a restaurant. You have lots of options to manage that hunger, and you can consciously pick and choose what you want to do. The second hunger is bad hunger. It makes you irritable initially. Soon, it makes you desperate. If it gets out of hand, you may end up begging or even eating stuff from the trash just to survive. You can't pick and choose when your survival is on the line. Your business also experiences hunger. If you are in the good hunger phase, you're creating a continuous source of future work. And you can experiment a bit with what kind of work you will do. If you reach the bad hunger phase, you will get desperate and start accepting any and all work that comes your way. You can't pick and choose when your survival is on the line. Your business needs the same kind of hunger management plan that your body needs: frequent nourishment, occasional variety, and a feast once in a while. Get in touch with Gentle Bamboo to know how to grow your business through our business growth roadmap.